Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so repeat, right? So it's a good thing that we avoided this chop, right? So we believe that longer term price is going to take this high right here, 10, and the real high we all know is 13, so we're expecting some action here, 13, but the sway play is long all the way to 19. Okay, that's our first forecast. That's what we believe is going to happen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember, bears are short-term in control to 400. Okay, to 400. Bear currently in control to 400. This is the short term, right? So those of us who wants to go to 19, we want this pullback so that we find support and establish ourselves a position long and with the aim of going to 19. All right. In the meantime, right, we have a small position short to 400. Price just goes to 400. And why do you think it's bouncing? Two reasons. Number one, bulls that believe, like us, that the price is going to go to 19 are buying right here, 400. You know, really carefully, because we know that there are 6 points of support right here. All right, so it's nice, right? 400. Even, you know, everybody knows, you know, we're not genius because we know that 400 is support. We are genius because we want to go from here from 400 to 19. That reason we're genius. Are we gonna go to 19 in one straight line, mistake, from here? From this entry long 400 that we just took for the sway play? Probably. No, we've got to be on the lookout to have the price mess with everybody here. We know that the next support is 94 though, right? 94, 95 right here, okay? Just told you 2 seconds ago. We're not going to go to 10, 13 in one straight line. The market is going to play with everybody here at 400. What do you think? We weren't expecting this rat move here, this violent sudden drop? Of course we are. We also know where the next support is right here, not even. All right, so let's watch it. All right, so of course, I'm talking about the longer term play to 10, 13, and 19. The current short, the double top, what do we want? Those of us who are short here, the high, playing the short term. We want the price to take 400 and go to 94, right? That's what we want. Okay, taking advantage of the short play that we are, okay, with a small position, because we prefer, meaning we want to have a bigger position, long, because we want to ride it all the way from 400 to 19. That's 19 points, right, that are forecasted. Whereas this short play that we just took here, 9, right here, the double top, the easy double top, triple top, then that's a scalp. We really don't have the odds as to whether the price is indeed going to take 400 and go to 94 and who the heck knows where else, right? And we do have a forecast saying that eventually it'll go to 13, all right? So that's why we prefer to have a bigger position going long than going short. But play both sides like we do it all the time. As long as you are short the high and long the low, we're golden, aren't we?
Yes.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the double top short term, of course, going to 400. We were expecting this action. Look at that rat drop, right? We know what the next support is, and where is it that the bears wants to take it. What's target 1 for the bears? It's right here, 89. 89, target 1 for the short, the double top here, 44.10. All right, so and we know the future because remember, we are predictors, right? And we predict the three moves of the market. We predict the short term, the medium term, and the durable. When the market gives us, we take it. All right? All righty then. As long as we are long the low, short the high, and as the market is moving in our direction, we are managing both positions, and then we never let a winner turn into a loser. So, in other words, remember the three pillars of consistently profitable trading, right? Gotta have a system, we have it, and then you gotta have your strategy to the discipline to do what your strategy says you should do. Your system, right? Your system's gotta have strategies. That's our edge. And of course, money management, right? This is part of the money management too. You gotta have the account, and you also need to protect your position at all times. Okay? No second guessing, no hesitation. Got to internalize that concept. It's not the RSI, it's not the Bollinger Bands, it's not the Fibonacci, it's not the PPI, it's not the FBI, it's not the CIA, it's none of that stuff. It's what you do, how you manage your position once you're in it, what's going to determine your success. So short term, make no mistake, is absolutely still bearish, okay? So let it ride to 89. 89, let it ride to 89. As long as 10, 13 are not taken, the play in command is this double top, triple top, quadruple top, short, 89. Going to 89. The path of least resistance is being short, expecting the price to dance around 400, dance around 94, but eventually go to 89. This is where all of us are going to take profits. Target 1, 89. All right, so here's the other support, right? Okay, remember, right? Let's just be strong, and let's let it ride all the way to 89. No, CAPI, are you kidding me? I'm gonna get the hell out right here, 94, man. I'm going to lock. Are you kidding me? 94, 04, such and such. I'm gonna lock in 15 points, man. Yeah, I wouldn't get mad at you because we are expecting the same action that we saw at 400. I am pretty much expecting it somewhere around here. However, look at the way he took it. Look at, well, I mean, yeah, it's not a clean break, but you can tell that it's on its way to our target 189, right? All right, so I'm not going to get mad at you if you get out a little above, especially since we are expecting an eventual bounce and a move up, right? But it's not guaranteed that it's going to go to 13 or 19. I cannot guarantee that. So that's why we have to manage this play right now, as long as it's going down and we don't see a massive retracement action, then we continue managing the short position. That's exactly what I said. Yep. That this is what the price was going to do at 94. That's right. All righty then. So this is what we do, ladies and gentlemen, right? We know at all times everything, not to mention the prediction, right? All right. Oh my God, CAPI, but it didn't go to 89, man. You said it waited to go to 89. But I also told you, hey, listen, if you get out right here, I don't have any problem. You have to have in your mind both plays. So that you can be green both plays all the time. We never let a winner turn into a loser, do we?
We do not.
All righty then. So this action right here, just like I told you this morning, an hour ago, look at it. It makes us want to, you know what? I'm gonna get the hell out here. I'm gonna take my 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and that's it. I'm done, right? That's what. That's what it feels like, right? We're not supposed to have feelings, but that's what it feels like. Oh my God, back to 94, right? So, and that's why we trade multiple contracts. You know, log here, here, and there on a market like this one, and then just whatever ammunition you have left, just don't just disregard yourself. Listen, one of the many secrets of profitable trading, you have to have certain disregard for money. So don't pay attention to money, don't pay attention, just let the course continue, all right? And if it gets there, terrific. If it doesn't, just get out. Always profitable, all right? Okay. Remember that the difference between us here at Capital Trade Center and the rest of the world is that we have the discipline and we really let it ride. Everybody says, let it ride, cut your losses short, but none of them tell you exactly how to do it. I tell you how to do it right here. This is exactly what's going on right now. You know, those bulls that went long here, they're fed up with the chop. They're getting the hell out here, all right? 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Are you kidding me? They're taking their 5 points. They have no idea longer term where the price odds are that it's going to continue going. Okay, I believe that's 90 half, 89, 90 half. That's 1.5 point to our target 1. And the choppy action continues. All right, so 89, right? 1.5 point from our target, 90 half. And we all know exactly what's going on, right? Do we not? Do we know exactly what's going on or what? Tell me. Do we know what's going on? Stop break even, start trailing. Target, of course, 10, 13, 19. So listen, ladies and gentlemen, I know you're tempted to get out here 400, right? Okay, I know you are, but remember, we already have the market doing what we knew an hour ago, when we knew here at 9 a.m., we already knew the market wanted to go to 19, right? But not before it took all the stops of the weak bulls, right? And then what are we doing? Well, we're buying, right? Buying for the long term. Not to mention the short-term play, sure, that we went that we wanted all the way to 89. Oh, okay, so, oh my God, didn't get it by 1 point. Well, you know it's okay with me if you get out a couple of points above or a couple of points below. If you waited for this rat retracement right here, right, and this bounce, then sure, you didn't get out at 90 half perfect exit, right? Believe me, it's not gonna be that perfect for the chore, right? The chore 4410 structure, it's been broken, and we've known all morning long that it was gonna be broken because we know where the price is going medium term. 10, 13, and 19. That's why I'm gonna say it again. That's why we prefer to have a bigger position size long than this short that we took here. Why? Because we are counting on a move from 89 to 19. Yeah, it didn't go to 89, it only went to 90. All right, so bite me. So 400, this is exactly what we want, right? We want to see the price takes this resistance, right? And so that we can go to our main play long. So long story short, right? So we've known since 9 a.m. What time it is right now? 11. So we've known for 2 hours what the market was up to. We've known all along what the market was up to. what it was that they really wanted to do. We've known it for 2 hours. And we also knew their tricks. We also knew what they were going to do to fool the novice. We also knew that, and we took advantage of it. We took advantage of the short, knowing that we were eventually take a trade in the direction of the longer term. So, in other words, we know what the smart money is up to at all times. All right, I kid you not, right? Can you believe that? This is just too much. Can you believe that, right? Look at that. 89. Target 1. Not before another. Not before another. Not before another massive shakeout. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is what we wanted to see. Stop, break even, start trailing. Don't take your eyes off the action, because we know this can easily happen again. Now, not only price went exactly to our system, target 1, 89, but look at the counter trend. 1 point with this volatility, with this falling knife. 1 point, ladies and gentlemen, look at it. 1 point. 1 point of heat. 1 point. 89. This is our target 1. This is where we officially get out. Of course, we all know that this erratic, vicious, violent move took our trails, right? Well, we know that. However, those of you who don't even look at this thing, and you know that you have the 100% discipline, 89, target 1, fully accomplished. You know that this is an automatic long for 2 reasons. Number 1, it's support, and we always counter trend. And number 2, you know that you want to be long again, expecting the price to eventually go. This time, now it's a little bit late. It's 11:26 already, so I'm expecting some chop here, 38, and this high right here, 05.